Hi, so I want to present you this Legrand rubber socket. So I bought it for to use in external. It has, but it's more with rubber for protection for shocks. This is how it looks on that side. Let's open it. It has a screw on the inside. You need a small screwdriver. If you use a big one, it's not gonna fit. Then you pull the inside and that's it. The design is very easy. It has very sturdy plastic, and it has a rubber outside all over up to the back where you put the wire. Ideally you'd use a cord, not individual wires. If you're gonna use individual wires, better use some heat shrink on it. Okay, it has this mobile part where it shows you cable lengths, so 30 millimeters for the wires and 8 millimeter for the where you strip. You need 3 centimeters from where you connect it here up to where you connect the screws. The connections are cage screws, so when you tighten the screw, you see there's the lower part of the cage where the wire is gonna be trapped between the cage and that moving part. So this is the more professional version compared to where the screw just tightens over the wire, and if you have multi-strand wire, you risk to damage the strands. This one is perfectly safe, although if you wanna do it perfectly, you should use a ferrule over it so the strands don't oxidize over time. I'm gonna show you. You can do this with different tools, but I'm gonna show you this one. Is very extremely easy to use. So you set it to 8 millimeters like it says there. See, 8 millimeters. Then you strip the wire for 8 millimeters. Yeah, let's make it straight first. Okay, now let's strip it. That's the model. It's a bit expensive, it's like 30 euro. Or maybe between 25 and 30. These are the ferrules for 8 millimeters and 2.5 square millimeters. You'll need something like this. This one is a cheap one and not doesn't do great results, but it's what I have. I really don't recommend you using this one. It's gonna do the job, but it's not that great. Okay, so this one doesn't look bad, but I've done it multiple times. So it fits in all the places. Here it goes more. In the phase and neutral, it's exactly 8 millimeters, as it says there. Mine it's a bit longer. I think it's 10. Yeah, so that's why it's a bit more out. You see, you can also put stranded. Normally this one should be 8, but I'm gonna show you I did a small mistake. So this one it's 10, I think, again. Yeah. You see it's more than 8, it's like 9. Now it's 8. Anyway, doesn't really matter. Okay, let's tighten the screw. And the cage crimps the wire between the moving plate and the rest of the body. Let me show you the other way around. The only problem, if you use it directly like this, it's okay, but there's a risk of oxidizing the strands over time, especially if you use it outside. Now if you use a bad ferrule, this one is better. If the ferrule is not tight enough, and you might get even worse contact, or you use a very cheap one. So yeah, there's this thing. I'm gonna try to focus and show you how tight that is, but it doesn't really work. Actually, this one it's very good as well. So the mechanism is the best you can find. Only better than this would be to use one that has springs, but I didn't manage to find anything on these mobiles ones with springs, so this one is the best there is. So you tighten the screw when you're done, and that's it. Other tools you might need, it's one of these electromagnetic detector that shows you where the phase is. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe for more.